I'm Zac Guthrie. I'm farm here in Frazesyburg, Ohio. Generational, it's been here for 3 generations. I've got 2 solar systems that have been up for about 4 years now on my hog confinement barns. It's been a good experience. They've both produced a little above what their expectation was. I would say solar's helped the farm just in the fact that it's been able to save us money on our energy costs that continue to rise, and outside of having the building or the footprint to put the panels, there's really no out-of-pocket expense with the fact that they take care of themselves and pay for themselves. I don't have any regrets putting the panels up. If anything, I would regret that I didn't maybe look at the new system that's going in now the same time that I put the first 2 systems in. You're looking at trying to put solar panels up and you're not sure, obviously get your ROI calculations done, but Paradise takes care of everything else paperwork wise and installation, and there's really no risk I don't see to the farmer.